Content marketing is an organic marketing strategy that involves giving away free content in exchange for attention of people. The content can be blogs, videos, podcasts, or anything that can be consumed by people. The concept behind content marketing is simple. When people are consuming your content, they are becoming aware of your organization and therefore more likely to spend money with you. Some brands have excellent content marketing strategies. A great example is Hubspot. They sell online marketing and sales tools, but they have gained a massive following by producing extensive blog articles on almost every marketing or sales topic imaginable. Richard Branson is another example of content marketing. His books are great to read, but they also sneakily promote all of his companies. Content marketing is growing in popularity because of the powerful results it achieves. Books do not advertising to customers, instead you bring them value, they appreciate your organization. So how do you get started with content marketing? I recommend you get started by choosing a medium which you enjoy. For example, if you enjoy writing, stick with writing articles or blogs. But if you enjoy speaking, start a podcast. The next step is to simply start creating content. I recommend aiming for one piece of content each week. This is easily achievable, and by the end of the year, you'll have 52 pieces of content published. Content marketing is a long-term marketing and communication strategy, so don't expect results overnight, but through consistency, you'll start to see results in the medium to long term.